Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the color controls in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to options. Now in those options, go over to the controls, and here we will have the color controls at the bottom. So here we have the mouse sensitivity for maybe quick or slower camera rotation. And here we also have the same settings but for controller. Here we can also have the interaction behavior. So it does not apply to the powers of the killer, but here you guys can basically toggle the interactions or stay on hold. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.